Okay, welcome back. This is the last video in chapter 3 and it's on theoretical yields. It's really easy and I think you'll be able to get it no problem. So theoretical comes from what the paper tells you should have. So if you do a balanced equation and then you're given a certain amount and you find that there should be a certain amount made, then that's the theoretical yield. That doesn't mean that you're going to get that much. Most of the time in a working with glassware and scraping things out of one jar into another, you're always going to lose some. You're going to lose some in the filter paper. You're never going to get what you are supposed to get. And so you need to figure out what percentage of the theoretical yield that I'm getting. And so the theoretical yield and the actual yield is a little bit different. So first of all, the formula is easy. So the percent yield is actually what you get, which is the actual yield, over what the paper says you should get. Theoretical yield. And then you're going to express it in a fraction or in a percentage. So you're going to multiply that fraction times 100%. Okay, so let's get a number. Let's imagine that you have just done a stoichiometric problem and that you're supposed to get 4.92 grams of something, whatever your product is. But you didn't get that much. Okay? You only got 4.70 grams. So this is your theoretical yield. This is your actual yield. So to find the percent yield, you're going to do a division problem. You're going to say 4.70 over 4.92. Okay. Times 100%. So this is going to be 0.955. So this is going to be times 100%. Gives you 95.5% yield. Okay, so that's meaning of all the potential product that you had, you got 95% of it. A tenth of a percent, if you are working in industry and you can improve the yield by a tenth of a percent, it's huge money to a company, millions of dollars potentially, depending on what they're selling. And that's why they hire people smart enough to figure out how can I make it a little bit more of a higher yield than we had it last year so that we can make more money. And they're willing to pay smart people to do that. So, easy problem. I'll see you in class.